Hi there and welcome back to How Tech, the place where we break down technology into plain, simple language. Today we're diving into one of the most frustrating tech problems ever. Slow internet. You know the feeling. You click on something, and it just sits there spinning. The video buffers. The page won't load. And suddenly you're ready to throw your phone or computer across the room. Let's take a deep breath and talk about what actually causes slow internet. Because once you understand it, it's a lot easier to fix. First, let's picture the internet like water running through pipes. If everyone in your house turns on the tap at once, the pressure drops. The same thing happens with your internet. If too many people or devices are using it at the same time, things can slow down. So your slow internet could be caused by something simple. Maybe your kids are streaming Netflix in HD. Someone else is on a Zoom call. And your phone is trying to update apps in the background. All of that adds up and can slow things down for everyone. Another reason could be the strength of your Wi-Fi signal. If you're far from the router, or if there are thick walls or metal appliances in the way, the signal can weaken. That means your device is struggling to stay connected, which makes everything slower. Sometimes it's not even your fault. Your internet provider might be having issues. Or your neighborhood might be extra busy online at certain times of the day. Kind of like traffic during rush hour. That's why your connection might be faster in the morning but slower in the evening. So how can you fix it? First, try turning your modem and router off. Wait about 30 seconds. Then turn them back on. Yes, it's the classic tech advice, but it really works. This resets your connection and can clear out little glitches. Next, check if anyone else in your home is doing something that uses a lot of internet. Streaming. Gaming. Big downloads. You can ask them to pause for a bit if you need the speed. Move closer to your Wi-Fi router. If you're far away or in a different room, try moving closer and see if things get better. Check how many devices are connected. Sometimes we forget how many things use Wi-Fi. Phones, tablets, smart TVs, doorbells, cameras. If there are too many, your router might be overwhelmed. You can unplug a few or disconnect them if they're not being used. Also, make sure your computer or phone doesn't have a bunch of apps running in the background. Close anything you're not using. Sometimes updates or syncing can quietly use up your internet without you knowing. And if none of that helps, run an internet speed test. You can search speed test online and click the first result. It will show how fast your download and upload speeds are. Compare that to the plan you're paying for. If you're not getting what you're promised, it might be time to call your internet provider and ask what's going on. You can even ask if you need a better router or a plan upgrade. If your household has grown or you've added more devices, you might simply need more bandwidth. So, to sum it up, slow internet can be caused by too many devices, a weak Wi-Fi signal, problems with your provider, or just needing a little reset. Try a few simple things and you might be surprised at how much better your connection gets. Thanks for watching How Tech. If this video helped you out, give it a like, hit subscribe, and maybe share it with a friend or family member who's always complaining about the Wi-Fi. Remember, you're not bad with tech. You've just never had someone explain it this clearly. And that's why we're here. See you in the next video.